Welcome to June's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of June. The number of active listings was up 21% from 1 year earlier and up 21% from the previous month. This continued upward trend reflected a healthy inventory for buyers to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $480,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was up 58%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $220,000. The number of units sold increased 100% year over year and decreased 67% month over month. Higher year-over-year figures indicate that more buyers have been finding what they're looking for. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.